guys, just rode in from Mifflinburg in a hot 4 hours and 35 minutes. It's a warm one today. So today, we're gonna talk to you guys a little bit about how Josiah and I got started. So let's go take a look. I kind of get into this, I went to school for networking, graduated from Penn Tech, got my degree, started working for Wise Markets doing IT work. I got into filming with cars actually after I bought my Subaru. So I got a point and shoot, started doing that, asking Josiah for ideas on how to shoot better, things like that. He got his degree from the Art Institute of Philadelphia.
Best of the best of the best, sir. With honors. He's just really excited and he has no clue why we're here.
After that, he started doing video production for a company in Harrisburg. Started doing weddings on the side a little bit. Did 2 or 3 of them the one year before we started to team up. And at the beginning of the following year, I actually, off of a music video that I shot, I ended up getting a wedding somehow. Very first wedding I've ever done. I wanted to bring him with so that we wouldn't do bad, pretty much. It's the first time he shot a wedding with 2 people, and it went great. And the next weekend, he actually had a wedding at the beach, and he asked me if I wanted to come and shoot that with him because this wedding went so well. And so we went to New Jersey, Stone Harbor. We shot with his good friend Caroline, who's the photographer. Matt and Erica were a great couple. It was a great overall experience. And from then on, we just decided, hey, let's do this together. We just got a ton of work off of that, and things just started to really snowball from there and pick up for us in the wedding industry. All right, guys, so right now we are headed to a wedding in New Jersey that we're gonna be filming tomorrow at the Park Chateau. But back to what I was saying earlier about the weddings, as far as where they come from, I know a lot of people do bridal shows, they advertise. We really don't do any of that. The majority of our weddings come from referrals from brides that we've done in the past. Word of mouth, Facebook, people seeing the video, sharing it, other people seeing it. I'd say about 90% of our business comes from just referrals themselves. So, like Josiah, he has a long strand starting back to the first year we filmed in New Jersey for Erica's wedding. And off that wedding, we got Roseanne's, then we got Tara's, then we got Lorelai's, then we got Jack's, then we got Florabelle's, then we got Aaron's, then we got Rachel. I mean, the list goes on and on. It just kept spiraling off of that. And he's in the Harrisburg area. Now, I'm up north, and it's a little more of a rural area, but the first wedding I ever did, after I went on Facebook, I think I booked 6 weddings off of that single wedding. And then since most people in the surrounding areas where I'm at know each other and are friends on Facebook, it slowly gets spread and shared out. So mine's not necessarily one long strand of weddings, but it's kind of spiral out among people that know each other that have seen the work. So first getting into the industry, I shot my first wedding extremely cheap. I just wanted to get my name out there. The bride had contacted me. She had seen some other things I had done as far as video, but I'd never shot a wedding. So they gave me a chance to do it. It went extremely well, and as I slowly started to book more weddings, I slowly started to bump up my price each year, kind of looking at what was being done in the areas around me, what other people were charging, but also knowing what your work is worth. As we slowly started to upgrade equipment, get more things, improve our audio, improve our lighting, things like that, your level of work is going up. So at the same time, you also want to increase your prices because you don't want to undersell what you're doing. You have to know what your work is worth in your market and charge that and not back down from it, because you can easily do 30, 40 weddings a year extremely cheap, but you're going to burn yourself out. You really want to hit a point where you're charging what you should be doing and hitting the number of weddings that you want to be doing a year, and you're going to be a lot happier in the long run. All right, guys, so we're here in New Jersey now. We're at the Comfort Suites. It's about 7 o'clock right now. We're going to get some wedding prep in, aka one wheeling. and we're gonna cruise around here a little bit, see what's going on. Let's go get it.